Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to find the greatest of the three numbers. So this program uses if, elif and else conditional statements. So without any delay, let us jump into our PyCharm. So I'm on my PyCharm now. So to find the greatest of three numbers, firstly we have to define and declare three variables containing the numbers, right? So I am taking the three variables to be A, B and C. A is equals to, I am using input function here. Enter the first number. Now for second number I am using another input function. I'll just copy and paste it over here. Here I'll change it to second number. Now again I'll take the third number to be C. I'll paste it here and change this to third number. Okay. Now we have declared and defined our three variables which are integers A, B and C. Now to find the greatest of three numbers, we have to check firstly if A is the greatest number or not. If A greater than B and A greater than C, print A is the greatest of the three numbers. Now I'll give another condition using elif to check if B is greater or not. If B greater than A and B greater than C, I'll again print B is the greatest of the three numbers. Now finally we have to check if C is greater or not, and if A and B are the not greatest numbers, so finally C is the greatest number, right? So without giving any specific condition, I'll give the else statement. Else print C is the greatest number, greatest of the three numbers. Now this is our program. Firstly we have given a condition to check if A is the greatest of the three numbers or not, and secondly we have given the condition to check if B is the greatest or not, and finally without giving any specific condition we have given our else block. Now let us run our program. Run. Enter the first number. I am taking some random number to be 4 and the second number to be 3 and third number to be 6. 6 is the greatest of the three numbers, right? So this is a program to check, that is to find the greatest of any given three numbers. Okay, so for Python tutorials and for simple basic programs to learn Python from the basic level, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, reach me out at the comment section. Okay, bye.